Hey there traders, today I want to show you how to determine the Forex trend direction using 3 ultimate tips. I understand how difficult it can be when you're learning to just even figure out which way the market is moving, let alone placing those first or those early trades. When I started out, I really struggled with this concept and I lost way too much money early on because of not knowing how to correctly identify which way the markets were moving. However, fear not, there are 3 fantastic ways that I personally use to correctly determine the direction of the Forex trend, and I want to share these tips with you right now. My name is Chris N, the Posh English Trader. Let's dive into the good stuff. Stay tuned to the end there guys, because I've saved the best tip till last. Okay, without further ado, tip number 1 is moving averages. So one of the most common methods is to add a moving average to your chart. Some traders try to get away with just one. However, I've always found 2 to be much more accurate in identifying the trend, especially early on. The 2 that I prefer to use are the 20 and the 50-day moving average. I use these to trade the higher time frames like the daily and 4 hourly. However, if you're using lower time frames, you may need to use smaller moving average amounts. So once you've put them on your chart, if the 50-day moving average is below the 20-day, then the Forex pair is in an uptrend, as you can see here. If the 50-day moving average, however, is above the 20-day, then the Forex pair is in a downtrend, as you can see on this chart. As you can see here, the cross of the 2 moving averages can signal a new trend, in this case, a downtrend. Alright, so tip number 2 is trend lines. Now trend lines can be drawn across your chart to identify uptrends, downtrends, and also ranging trends. When drawing a trend line to identify an uptrend, it must be placed below the trend and should meet with at least 2 low points. The second low point must be higher than the first to confirm the uptrend, and there must also be a series of subsequent highs. When drawing a trend line to identify a downtrend, it must be placed above the trend and should meet with at least 2 high points. The second high point must be below the first to confirm the downtrend, and then there must also be a series of subsequent lows. When drawing a trend line to confirm a range, use 2. One should be drawn at the support area and the other should be drawn at the resistance area. The support line must touch at least 2 low points to confirm the support area, and the resistance line must do the same. Last but certainly not least, we have my number 1 tip for identifying the trends: highs and lows. So this method of identifying the trend is the simplest. When identifying an uptrend, you'll be looking for the market to be making a series of higher highs and higher lows. If it makes 2 of each of these consecutively, then an uptrend is confirmed. In the case of a downtrend, you'll be looking to identify lower lows and lower highs. Again, 2 of each of these consecutively confirms the downtrend. It really is that easy, and that's why I like this method the most. Okay, so you just learned 3 simple ways to identify the trend of any market. Now, was this valuable so far? Well, now what if you had a way to make this part of a strategy that can start getting you results or drastically increase your current trading results? Wouldn't you want to know how that works? If your answer is yes, I've got some great news for you. I've put together a 100% free 3-step system that incorporates what you just learned into a strategy that shows you how to enter high potential trades that could drastically improve your trading results with just 3 simple steps. You can get this now completely free at www.poshenglishtrader.com/3 steps. So to get that, simply type into your browser address bar www.poshenglishtrader.com/3 steps. And again, this will show you how to enter high potential trades that could drastically improve your trading results with just 3 simple steps. So go ahead and type that in, or simply click the link in the description below. My name is Chris N, the Posh English Trader. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification to be notified of all my future videos. Make sure you also share this video with all your friends and comment below, because I want to know if you are already using any of these tips successfully as part of your strategies. Okay traders, thank you very much. Until next time.